No. Okay, hawak ko na kaya. Okay na. Hindi, angat. Okay, ako na.
Good job.
Yeah. Chamba tayo mga sir. Yeah. Hito. Native hito. This is a native hito.
Native.
Go. So ayan, good day ulit mga master. Another day of fishing trip here at the Angono Rizal Eco Park. Yeah. So napakaganda ng spot. And guess what? I'm here again with Mr. Scott.
Hey, we're back.
Yeah, changing of plans.
Yeah, changed plans, so we're back again.
Yeah.
We got one more little fishing adventure now.
Yeah, so I wish that we could catch a big fish in here. So there's so many fry right there, sir. Yan, ang daming fry ng dalag, guys. So pag maraming fry ng dalag, maraming dalag, 'di ba? Kasi sa totoo lang, guys, panahon ng tagdalag talaga ngayon, no. So magta-try ako mag-cast using ng aking soft lure paddle tail, no, dito lang. And try ko rin siguro yung frog. Yan. So wish us luck today to catch more fish.
Yeah.
We need it. Ayan. So set up muna ako mga master, no? Okay. So ayan mga master, naglagay na ako ng hard snap sa atin. Gagamit muna tayo ng paddle tail na pula dahil tanghali mainit para makita ng isda. Lalo makita ng dalag dahil ang lalaki ng dalag nakita ko din. Wala yatang gumagamit ng lure dito. Using a paddle, curly tail muna, pula. Yeah. And we'll just start casting it right here. First, yeah. May dalag doon. So may mga fry na nandun mga master, oh. May mga fry. Well, wish us luck sa ating unang hagis. Yan. Hinahabol. There's the chaser. Yan, o, laking dalag niya nandiyan sa unahan. Hindi ko lang kung makikita sa mga master. Well, sir, it's a huge tilapia right there. As you can see, you can't even see it right here. Maybe here, sir. Yeah. So there's his body. Have you seen it?
Oh yeah.
It's a big tilapia.
Get him.
Okay. So many snakehead fish in here. Maya yung angat ng mga snakehead mga master. There, it's a big knife. It's a big dalag, the snakehead. There it goes. Yan. Nagpalit muna tayo ng lure mga master. So, color green. Jig head nga pala natin 3.5 gram. So, I wish. Well, let's see kung lalangoy siya ng maganda. Okay. Good. Yun, so napakainit lang. It's too hot today, sir.
Very, very hot. Boiling.
Yeah.
That's alright.
It's okay. And iwan ko muna yung aking pamingwit dito, mga master. I'll just leave it right here. And maybe we just leave our fishing gear right here, sir.
Yep.
And go to the shade.
Yep.
Okay. Yan, napakainit mga masters. At napakaganda rin ng lugar, yung ambience ng lugar napakaganda. Sobrang solid. Ayan, so in-invite lang ulit ako ni Sir Scott. Sir Scott invited me again to get back, to get in here too. So this place was a very good spot for catching tilapia and for catching snakehead.
Well, we hope so.
Oh yeah. So later we'll have that fish. Yeah. I have a what do you call to that? I have a confidence that we will have a fish in this spot.
Fingers crossed.
Okay, update tayo mamaya, no? Sana makahuli tayo. And makakahuli tayo niyan syempre. Okay. Oh, sumabit. Dalang kaya.
Oh, what is it?
Dalang.
Isn't that a crocodile?
A
No.
crocodile?
Okay, hawak ko na kaya. Okay na. Hindi, angat. Okay, ako na.
Catfish.
Oh, catfish.
Oh, see? Kaya ganun pa vlog.
One big eel tail catfish.
Yeah.
Good job.
Kala ng buhaya eh.
That's a lucky lucky day.
There we go.
We'll just leave it right here, then we'll get it later.
Good job.
Yeah. Oh, it swallowed.
Oh no.
Perhaps you can get 5 kilos, Scott.
5 kilos?
Yeah, there are a lot of it costs,
Okay,
it's expensive.
yan.
Mahal
Chamba
na
tayo
naman
mga
yun.
sir. Yeah. Hito. Native hito. This is a native hito.
Native.
Native
Yeah,
catfish
it's a
is
native
expensive.
catfish. You know.
Yep.
Yeah.
We have these guys in Australia as well. A little different, slightly different shape, but yeah.
So the tail?
Yeah, the eel tail catfish.
Lipat dito eh.
Cool.
Go. So ayan mga master, no. Update tayo. Grabe, may tumalon dun. Tumalon dun kanina. Saya kanina hindi ko na agad na open yung camera natin, no. Nakahuli ako ng hito sa spot na to, guys. And sana masundan pa. Ang daming tumatalon mga master, hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng isda. Pero dito, may tumatalon dito. Yun, may tumatalon doon, karamihan ng mga tumatalon na malakas ang pasag sa gilid minsan. Pero yung talagang mga kakaibang pasag na mapapansin mo parang dalag, most of the time sa gitna. So spot na to, good spot talagang ano siya. Ang ganda niya for dalag hunting and catfish hunting. Yan, napaka good spot nito. Napakagandang spot, sobra. Try namin nagpuntahan pa mamaya yung taas doon. Pero sa ngayon, tinitignan ko muna yung paligid no. Maraming dalag dito tsaka hito. Yan, so free fishing spot ulit to, no. This is a free fishing spot again na pinuntahan natin sa Angono, Rizal. Well, sasabihin ko lang sa inyo kung saang lugar to, no. Siguro ilalagay ko sa description natin kung ano yung spot na to o anong pangalan, anong tawag sa spot na to. Yan, binubulaanan nila yung floater. Ang tanong, sana naman kumagat ka na, lunukin mo pa. Yan, so may bula dun sa floater natin mga master. Sunod-sunod na maliliit, hindi ko alam pero indication ng isda yan. So na-try ko yan one time sa sa spot dun sa first pumping station, yung ganung bula na may maliliit pero paisa-isa tilapia. And then doon naman sa spot na pinuntahan ko na nakahuli ako ng hito na malaki, doon sa creek sa may C6 lang is ayan, umandar ng konti. So yung sa may C6, no, nahuli ko doon na hito, yun, pakto tayo. Nahuli ko doon na hito is indication niya is biglaang bula na maliliit, di kagaya ng dalag. Pag bula, putok talaga, putok bula, pak, ang dami, ganun ng dalag. And so inandar niya na kanina baka nagalaw lang siguro ng isda, lumipat yung isda dun sa side na yun. Andito yung plotter natin, lumipat dun yung bula, tumakbo siguro siya dun. So probably nagalaw niya siguro yung tali. So there you go mga master, no? Tapos ng ating fishing trip, and Mr. Scott is going home. Mr. Scott is going home right now. Are you going to Taiwan, sir? Taiwan for 3 days.
Yeah, 3 days in Taiwan.
3 days in Taiwan, and
Then to Vietnam for 2 days.
to Vietnam for 2 days. So there will be 5 days more before he came back to his hometown.
I'm looking forward to going home. Thank you.
You're looking for the going home? Oh,
Yeah.
thank you, sir.
No,
Okay.
it's fine. Bye bye.
Okay. So ayan, uwing-uwi na din si Master Scott.
Yeah. I think my grab is there.
So good luck, sir. Good luck.
Thanks very much. Oh yeah.
So ayan, thank you sa mga bagong subscriber, sa mga subscriber din natin, sa mga bagong manonood, pa-subscribe ako and pa-like na rin ng ating video. Dito na rin magtatapos ang ating video, no? Thank you very much po.
No worries. Thanks very much.
Bye.
All right. See you later, Colin.
Thank you, sir.
No problem. Thanks very much.
Okay. See you soon.
See you, buddy.
Uwi na si Sir Scott, and this will be a goodbye to you, sir, and see you soon in Australia. Yeah, okay. Yan. So naimbitahan ako pumunta ng Australia ni Sir Scott, and next year winter season sa kanila pupunta ako. Well, wish us luck, the both of us, sir. Thank you.